Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here gonna do a quick look. I'm not feeling my best. I just know I have to record, so yeah, I'm just gonna create something quick to go. Actually, I'm gonna go look for meds. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I feel terrible. So let me see. I don't want to do anything bold. Just anything, just quick. So I'm gonna do, let's do some hickory. I'm actually using this palette from Lady Monet. So we're gonna do some hickory, which is a brown, and just put it like right here. I'm leaving this really low. Just like right here. Just tight. I don't want to do it too high because I'm just gonna like fade it out a bit so it's nice and blended. But when I want like all my pigments, I'm just like tapping. And then when I get to the edges, we're just gonna feather this out. Oh, and the brush I was using was the 214, and then this one is from Morphe, the M518. I'm gonna go into sand, and then I'm just gonna like just use sand just to not do much. I think I need a little bit more of hickory. I'm just re-intensifying this and then going back to that, because this shade like literally has like no color, which is perfect. That's exactly what I want. And just buffing it. Just buff it like so. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Ruce, and I'm going to go into spruce, and I'm just gonna put this like right here. I'm actually gonna put a glitter there, but I want a little base. Like so. And we're gonna go into, I feel like I have a word glitter in a minute. And then I'm just gonna put this right here. This is another Ruce brush. Just gonna take it and then put it like right so. Now I'm taking a 215 and we're gonna go into Morning Dew, which is a green. Okay, this Morning Dew don't want to come out. I don't know if it's that brush. Let's try this brush. This is a what? This is a T15 from Makeup Shack. No, it's literally the shadow that's just not about to like annoy me. And I'm just kind of blending the edges. I don't know. I'm gonna go back into that brown, into hickory. like so. And I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go into golden brown. Now I put it right here. And back to that brown. I'm just trying to make it like blend nicely. And back to that green. That green is kind of disappointing actually. I think it's gonna be more of a va 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 boom, but it's not. Okay, so that's it for this look. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Ignore this stuff on my face because the foundation is a powder foundation. I put my cream stuff first so we don't have a mess. So there's a method to this madness. So we're gonna talk about this foundation. It is from Juvia's Place and it is the powder foundation. First, I'm gonna blend my concealer though. Like, so I already put my contour. I'm gonna blend my concealer and I'm using my Tantour from Juvia's Place, HudaBeauty, and I'm using this concealer from One Size. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that. I don't know how I'm feeling about this foundation, but we will see. So like so. Now we're gonna go into this. Let me do some water. Having a Perrier watermelon. I liked Perrier before, and when they started coming out with flavors, I'm like, yes, yes. I like the component. It's like a hard plastic. Let's see. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a flawless brush from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm just gonna like tap it. And then I'm gonna set under my eye with my Laura Mercier powder. You know, the usual. And usually, I'm guessing you shouldn't put a powder over top, but I don't like how this looks, so we're gonna put a powder. And I'm gonna use my number 2 from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm putting this powder because it's like, I feel like I have a lot of texture and I'm trying to like smoothen it out a bit. I don't want, but my face is gonna be so powdery. I do not feel good. I hate feeling sick. And I know somebody's gonna be like, Decima, who likes to feel sick? I don't know. Maybe there's somebody out there that do. I don't. I hate it. Hate it. This is from, I think, Real Techniques, yeah. And I'm using my ABH little palette situation. I don't want to go too heavy with my contour because I'm just like, that's just more powder, you know, that we cannot afford to put. And then I'm just gonna tighten it up a little bit, just a little bit, like right here. That's it. That is it. And then let's go in with a blush. This is from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I'm actually gonna mix this. I'm missing Holy Shock, Xena, and Dahlia. This brush is from e.l.f. Just a little bit. These are from like Selena Gomez's line where beauty is so good. I have like a dry patch right here on my nose. My nose is so dry. And then for my lip, I'm gonna wear this. This is from, oh, also from Rare Beauty. That wasn't planned, but I like this color. Wow, this is so dry. I'm gonna put this gloss over top. This is from Sophia and Mabel. That's good. That's nice and moisturizing. Put a little bit more. This is from Patrick Ta. Just the hourglass. I don't know if I want to put anything under my eye. I don't know. Let's see. We're almost done though. We're almost done. This is from Urban Decay and this is Sabbath. I'm trying not to put too much stuff under my eye because my eye is kind of watery or watering right now because I don't feel good. So the least I can put under there, I think it's the better. While I go put something under there, but I'm gonna keep it quite soft. Very, very soft. So I'm gonna just go into Hickory and just like buff this shade up a little bit. Yep, this is good. See, I leave this light because I can't. And then the green, I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit. So okay, so that's it, guys. You know, for this look, I love how the look came out. I feel like everything, you know, is cute. Not too much going on, not too crazy. So yeah. Again, I'm only gonna look for medicine because I feel like doo-doo. I feel terrible. So it's not COVID, but this cold is kicking me just down. So that's it, guys, for this, you know, video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.